Hi, today's kitchen tip is how to use lemongrass. There are some frequently asked questions in cooking classes about lemongrass. Now, lemongrass doesn't really have a taste of its own. It's used mostly for aroma, which is very citrusy and lemony. Most flavorful part is this bottom half of the lemongrass. So if it's this one is really nice, but sometimes you get really dried ones, so you peel off a couple of layers and get rid of this dry portion, and then this hard stem, and then you bruise the lemongrass and throw it in curries and soups. Just a few minutes of boiling and you've got that nice aroma. Now you can't eat this because it's really fibrous, so you got to treat it like cinnamon just for flavor. If you want to add in salads, stir fries where you can eat it, it has to be minced like this. In places where you don't get lemongrass easily, wrap it in aluminium foil and store it in freezer bags. By the way, lemongrass is lemongrass. It cannot be substituted with lemon zest. I hope this tip was useful. I will be back with some more tips. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.